Hey Curly, Scarlett here, the creator of Wonder Curl. In this video, I am going to share some tips to care for your high porosity, fine, loose hair. So if that sounds like your hair, then this is the video for you. High porosity hair is usually characterized by having raised cuticles, typically from some type of damage. It can be from over manipulation, coloring, or some other way. When you have high porosity hair, your hair absorbs water quickly, and because the cuticles stay raised, it will lose moisture quickly as well. You might notice your hair tangles very easily as well. That's because it's dry. Since your curls are on the looser side, you don't want to use heavy products that can weigh your hair down or make it greasy. So first, you want to clean and condition your hair with moisturizing products. The Detoxifying Clay Cleanser is a gentle yet effective cleanser that will remove dirt and toxins from your hair without stripping it of its natural oils. Follow up with the Restoring Hair treatment for dry, damaged hair. This treatment will help lock in moisture and smooth down the cuticles. When styling, we recommend using the Get Slick Hair Smoothie as your leave-in. It's a light cream oil moisturizer with coconut oil that reduces protein loss. And for styling, you'll love the Control Styling Lotion. It's also a light styling gel that defines your curls or waves without making it feel hard or crunchy. With these products, a little goes a long way, so you don't have to be heavy-handed. You also want your hair wet when you apply the products. We recommend using a diffuser on your hair versus air drying. Air drying can cause more tangles and will damage the bonds in your hair. So drying with a diffuser dries your hair faster and with fewer tangles and damage. Follow these tips and your high porosity hair will feel soft and defined for days.